this today.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, if this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell notification, and I believe that's it. Oh yeah, give it a like. Got so many things to do now on YouTube just to keep up with everything. Just wanted to we just got back from cruise week. Just wanted to recap on that, and also the upcoming events that are coming up. Just wanted to update you. I just released the YouTube call out video. It took me a little bit longer. I apologize. I got super sick. So right now we are headed down Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. This is where I graduated college at Shippensburg University of Pennsylvania in 2011. Good times. It's a great little town. A lot of memories, a lot of good memories, a lot of history. Yeah, just the recap on the 2008 Ocean City Cruise Week. I don't know. I had mixed feelings on it, guys. To be honest with you, I was not happy this year. The cops are ridiculous. It wasn't so much the cops, because it was a normal amount of cops. It was the tickets. They had an event fee, which means if you were to get pulled over, you got your ticket price, whatever that was, you know, 120 up to 180 or something like that. And then on top of that, you got anywhere from a $400 to $500 fine. So you're looking at just a simple violation, even if it's 5 over, of a $600 to $800 fine. That is crazy and absurd. No one's gonna want to get back to that at all. So I really look for them to push the event to another location. It's unfortunate because everybody loves Ocean City, but we can't be dealing with that kind of, you know, that's highway robbery basically. So that's kind of like how it is with the cruise week. We had a great time, had a blast with everybody, as always, but it kind of ruined it between the actual rain and the cops. It was not a fun event. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it this year, unfortunately. The upcoming events we have coming up, to be honest, guys, I don't really know much that's coming up soon. I'm kind of scratching my head here trying to think. We had stuff lined up back to back. You know, we have the holiday coming up next Monday, or this coming Monday per se, and then oh, I do know. So the VA Medical Center in Martinsburg, West Virginia, we do a God Bless America ride every year, and it's going to be, I believe, the first weekend in June, which is coming up in about 2 to 3 weeks here. I'd never miss it. It is a great cause. We start in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, right at the state line between Pennsylvania and Maryland, and then we actually, I hate this. This bugs me because it's like they blow it all over the road. So we start at the Greencastle, Pennsylvania truck stop area, and then we head the whole way down to Martinsburg, West Virginia, where they have all the veterans and stuff outside, and we go in and we parade around and come back around. We raised thousands upon thousands of dollars last year, and it's always a great event. I will never miss it at all. And just the up, but right now there ain't too much on the schedule, unfortunately. So I'll keep you guys updated going forward if I can think of anything or not. Everybody's out today getting ice cream, riding bikes, you name it. It's so nice out right now. Temperature wise, we're looking at 73 degrees on a beautiful Sunday evening, and just can't get any better weather than this. Like I said, just got back from cruise week, and I said, why not get the bike out? It's beautiful out. The pollen is killing me, and I'm probably going to regret this later because I won't be able to breathe or keep my eyes open. But it's totally worth it though. Totally worth it. Man, look at this sun. It is bright upon bright. Like, it's super bright. It's around 7:30. You know, I'm super happy that the sunlight's still out at a later time. It's one good thing about late spring and summer. The days are a little bit longer. You can get more done outside. You can enjoy the day a little bit longer. And I got, holy crap, not like letting our yard go. Wow. So yeah, guys, we're back in Pennsylvania, in South Central PA. This is called Shippensburg, Pennsylvania. It's a little town in between Chambersburg and Carlisle. It's a great little place. Everybody's always super nice here, and it's where my grandparents actually owned a farm out in the countryside here, did dairy and milking and stuff like that for decades until they ended up selling it. These guys want me to pull it up. I'm good. I don't do any crazy stuff anymore. I've learned that if I'm out of work, I'm out of work, and it's never good. Because you guys haven't been following the channel for a while, or have been following it for a while, you know that I do personal training. So really, if I'm not doing any training, I'm not getting any work coming in. It's kind of like a therapist or anybody else that does services, that if they don't have clients, then they're not making any money. That's kind of like how I feel. So I got to be really cautious with what I do now to make sure I don't hurt myself in between, like snowboarding, the bike. And sometimes I understand you can't, you know, some people pull out in front of you, do stupid stuff, but you know, you try to avoid doing that stuff at all costs. Oh, I can't get it over how nice it is. I really apologize, guys, if this vlog is not very interesting at all. I'm beat. I spent 6 hours probably on the road today, driving back in traffic, and there was an accident. So I spent the majority of my day in the car back from OC. Oh, I'm beat. But I at least want to get on here and give you guys an update on everything and say hi. I always enjoy doing the MOTOVLOGs. I don't know if you guys enjoyed these or not for the channel. I know you guys mostly all came over for the RSX, but yeah, if you're here for the R6 content, comment down below, help me out. I'll be more willing to do more of these. I enjoy riding. How to get it out any chance I can. Just my time's very limited. I'll stop here at Sheets for a second. Now, trick question, does Pennsylvania sell liquor in convenience stores like this, like Sheets? It might be a trick question. See if you guys know, comment down below and see if you can get the answer right. I guess I shouldn't go too much over here. Alright guys, this might be a little bit better. So yeah guys, so we're in Shippensburg, Pennsylvania at the Sheets location, and this Sheets has a lot of history with the biker community that I ride with and used to ride with. We used to come here all the time when I was younger and just hang out, so it's kind of nice to come back here and hang out. I haven't done it in a long time. So you guys are asking about the bike. It's a 2007 Yamaha R6, and I'll link a video previously on it, on where I talked about the bike itself and the modifications it has. But I love it. It's a great overall street bike, and it's done nothing but good things for me, and I really enjoy it. No really need to bump up to an R1. Not around here, that's for sure. I don't know what's going on, but looks like Shippensburg's getting a little bit of action here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, buddy, get him. Now, right here is my buddy Mike Clack. It's his place in college. It looks like crap now, but my goodness, that was the place to be in college. Pre-game, then we went to Wibbs. Oh my, good times. Reminiscent of the old times in college. That was like the perfect time to ride. Let's see what temperature we're running with. Right now we're 81 degrees still, guys, and it's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's beautiful out. Can't ask for a better night. Looks like my light's not on. Oh, that's not good. I have to go up here, turn the bike off, and turn it back on. Sometimes with these HIDs, I have HIDs running in these. Depending on the startup sequence, it like kicks it on, and then it doesn't create the same power to it, and then it kicks them back off again. So, and then I have no way of turning it back on unless I shut off the bike and turn it back on again. I want to do it here in the middle of traffic, because that's a little bit of a safety hazard, and I don't really feel like getting rear-ended tonight. Come on, guys, what is going on? This thing sounds amazing down through here. Oh, we can't be doing wheelies in here. There we go. Got a little one for him. Everybody just looks at this bike. Love it. It's good and bad publicity, that's for damn sure. No. Don't you dare roll out in front of me. Thank you. That's like my biggest fear. Somebody doesn't say, yo, what's up, man? Amish. This is a good ice cream place right here. Kevin, what's never been there? Check it out. Man, I used to love these cars. This one is sitting right here. It's just beautiful. Now that SI version was amazing. A little bit different green than that, but I remember that right after Fast and Furious movies. Oh, look at your garages. They got a demon? Nope, no demons there. The demon I saw today on eBay going for $500,000, guys. $500,000. Why? That's crazy. Nobody just looks. Beast is loud, baby. Now this used to be called Treat in Shippensburg, and they had the best milkshakes, and then it changed one of the name of their shit. I'm like, no! That's just beautiful. Hopefully it comes through on the camera just as much as it is here. Take a picture. Take a picture here real quick. It's too nice out. Look at that. That is beautiful. Hurry up here. Hopefully it comes through. I think we took enough. All right, let's get this issue taken care of with the lights. Light is on. Well, that's not good. I don't understand why sometimes without drawing power, I don't know, I don't get it. So right now I'm just gonna have to go with it and drive it as soon as it kicks on, because I don't know why it wants to keep shutting off. It's probably a fuel issue or map, or I don't know. Just have to keep it on here. Light is on. Comment down below if you guys know. It might be the map issue, the map that I have in this power commander. What the hell is that? Is that a skunk? What was that? I think it was a skunk. Don't want to get too damn close, that's for sure. Now here it'll work fine. Lights on. We're good to go. But like I said, there with the initial startup, it wants to like cut out or shut off, as you've seen. I don't get it. Comment down below if you guys know what I can do to fix this, please. I really need to get the dyno tuned and figured out. And see, here it'll run fine. No issue. It's just, it takes a little bit. I've noticed it after filling up as well, too. Alright guys, this will do it for the vlog today. Sorry it was super short, but I wanted to update you on some things, do a recap of Ocean City. That video will be coming out soon this week. And I hope you guys have a great day. Looking forward to the events to come coming up. And as always, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and give me a thumbs up. And welcome to the channel. As always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.